nudging the tripod. Sebastian. Oh, there's my boy. Are you making biscuits right now? I'm making some biscuits. I do need to record. Where can I record if you're making biscuits? It isn't a baking video. Okay, down we go. Hello lovelies, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another Spooky Box Club unboxing. It is a double today and I actually haven't even checked to see what our themes are, so let's see which one comes first. Okay, so we have box number 84, which is Stay Weird. Love that. And box number 85, Grimoire. That's it. Okay, right, this one's heavier than the other, but 84 comes first. So we're going with box 84, Stay Weird. Okay, so we do have our little doodad here, but I'm not going to read that till the end because I like surprises. I'm on quite a high stool and I don't really have anywhere near me that I can set things. I haven't quite figured out how to do this, but let's see. Okay. So there's like a very cute little thank you card up here. And then a pin. Oh, that's ominous. So this is a fortune-telling crystal ball collectible pin. And the fortune that has been given is... you don't want to know. Mildly worrying, but very cute. Love that. I'm going to set things on your chair just for a little while, okay? Sebastian's chair will have to be where things go. Okay, next up we have this little box. It says Screaming Skull Earrings. Oh, cute! What are these? Are these studs or... oops, what are you? Yeah, these are little studs, which I could maybe put in my second holes. And they look like this. Just cute little skull stud earrings. Very good. We have a winged skull pendant, which I'm curious about. Oh, that's so much cuter than what I thought it was going to be. I was picturing like a really cheesy, like something like sort of like the Avenged Sevenfold skull. It has wings, doesn't it? I was picturing something like that, but it's one of these little like, I feel like you'd see them on like a lot of graves and stuff. Are you familiar with this image? So yeah, that's really cute. It's much more like Memento Mori than like Hell's Angels, which is what I was expecting. Cute. Okay. Next up we have a little bag with, what's in here? Oh, are these oracle cards? Looking for a quick answer to a niggling question. Would you rather leave it up to fate to decide if you really need that extra cup of coffee? Well, fret no longer, we've got you with our mysterious mystic oracle deck. Just give us a quick shuffle, pick out a card, and let chance, destiny, or your Coolio spirit guides from the ether reveal the answer. I mean, who's got room to lug around a magic 8-ball? Not us, my dude. Most ladies' clothing is pocketless and forlorn. That is true. Right, well that's very cool. So we've got some little oracle cards. I want to take a peek at these. Do I have anything nearby to open them with? No. God, I feel like one of those fucking TikToks. Is anyone else being just absolutely bombed by tarot reading TikToks right now? Like, that's all I'm getting. I don't know how many times I can be told someone's going to reach out, someone regrets, someone's coming in with an offer. Like, Jesus. I don't know what to ask. I'm just gonna look at the cards. Oh. Okay, yeah, so all of the things on them are very, like, Magic 8-ballish. So, like, we have, like, spirits say no, there's without a doubt, yes, definitely, spirits say yes, can't predict right now, signs are good, ask again later, better not tell you, not gonna happen. So yeah, it's all stuff like that. So it is a very, like, you know, you can ask a yes or no question and pull out a card. I like that. Making decisions isn't fun. I'm good. We have another little velvety bag. Ooh! Oh, yes! Yep. Feeling it. Wait, really get the hair going. Very good. And it says melancholy. I love that. And it's just in time for summer when it's going to be much too hot, so that is actually lovely. It's not even that warm today, but just that breeze is very nice. Very good. A little bit. Oh, kinda. We have some little sweeties that say yeah and wow. And then the last thing in here is a really cute little print. That's adorable. So cute. Okay, so let's double check everything. Okay, so we've got the melancholy hand fan in a black velvet drawstring bag, yes. Mystical oracle deck card in velvet pouch, yes. Screaming skull earrings, yes. Winged skull pendant, yep. Crystal ball enamel pin, yep. And Stay Weird art print, yes. And of course the candy of the month. Okay, so that was everything for that box. Next up is the Grimoire Box. So let's take a peek in there. Oh, there's already something really cute. What is that? Oh, okay. Ah, okay. So right on top, what are you? It's a bookmark and it's really cute. Oh my gosh. So it's on like a little velvet band. It has a little tassel and like this little coffin. How freaking cute is that? I love that. That's adorable. Okay. Next up we have some really cute tape. It's all like various magical books. That is freaking adorable. I need to find a use for this. I never know what to do with things like this, but I really want to use this because it's really cute. Yes. We have a little thank you card again. Oh, there's another one of those. Another bookmark, which is good because I always need bookmarks. So this one is a purple velvet one, again with a cute little tassel, and then with a little bat on the end. How sweet! Lovely! Ooh, what is this? Oh! Oh, they're all different. Okay, so we have 3 little plain black notebooks here, and then each one has a little sticky label that you can label yourself and put on it. And you have one blank page, one like ruled, like lined paper one, and then one, I don't know how well you'll be able to see it, like the little, I don't know if you can see that at all, but it has like the little sort of like dots. So that's cute. I was actually looking for something like this today because I wanted to write down everything I need to prepare for my videos, and usually I do it on my phone, but I was like, my phone was being distracting, so I turned it off and left it somewhere else. So I was trying to like take a break from my phone basically, and I was like, but I have nowhere to write stuff down. So I actually needed one of these earlier today, so at least now I will have that in the future. Very good. Oh, some more cute tape. It's just like little moons. Oh, it's all the moon phases, is it? Cute. Our candy of the month this time is a lollipop. Ah! Oh! So it's like, I think a little, and then you put the ones we got before it. Oh! Okay, hold on, this tells you how to do it. This requires more brain power than I have right at this particular moment. I am not with it at all today, guys. I came this close to putting my camera batteries in the fucking air fryer. As to how that happened. So, the battery charger is sitting on the same bench as the air fryer, and I had 2 things in mind that I needed to do before making videos. And they're both on my mind. I was like, I need charge the camera batteries, make food. Well, I'm gonna have food. I'll put that thing in the air fryer. Okay, camera batteries, food. And just they're right next to each other because I so nearly popped my fucking camera batteries in the air fryer. Who let me live alone? Like, but it's, you know, it's going fine so far. I did not put them in the air fryer. I stopped myself from doing that, so it's not that bad. But yes, the black notebooks, they all insert into this little purple cover that has this cute little like cauldron. Oh, look at the little ghost. Do you see the little ghost? So cute. Love that. Very smart. There's one more thing. Ooh. Book of Shadows stencil kit contains 2 stencils. Me an A5 size. Slip them into your file effects. Ooh. Ooh. I don't know what I'm gonna use these for, but I love them. Okay. Do you see all the, it's like little stencils with all, look at the fucking mushrooms and the little cat and the little cauldron and the little bones. That's so cute. I want to use these immediately. I have no fucking clue what for. Oh my god, but the little mushrooms make me so happy. And the bones. How cute, love that. One thing I always wish that I could like stick with that I never do, I just don't even bother because I know I won't. Journaling. I love people who have like really pretty like aesthetic journals, and it's all like, I love it. Like journals, planners, like planners. Planners is the one especially. The really pretty ones, they're all laid out and it's all fancy and cute. Good God, I wish I was the kind of person who could keep something like that up. I'm not, I'm just not. I've come to accept that, but I love watching other people do it. Okay, so we have the My Little Grimoire, a Gothic Traveler's Notebook style journal cover, yes. 3 black notebook inserts for the grimoire in lined, dotted and plain paper with 1 set of labeling stickers, yes. Book of Shadows stencils, 2 strong mylar stencils for all your spooky spellbook doodling needs. Moon phase washi tape, yes. Magical library washi tape, yes. black velvet coffin bookmark, yes, and purple velvet hanging bat coffin bookmark. Yes, we got everything in that one got everything in that one as well. That was lovely. I really enjoyed those. Everything was very cute. Everything was very aesthetically pleasing. My hair is annoying me. I'm gonna shave my head. I'm not, but every now and again I'm just like, stop touching me. So I hope you enjoyed today's Spooky Box Club unboxing. I certainly did. As always, if you enjoyed the video, give it a little thumbs up, leave me a little comment down below. You can leave a comment about something to do with this video or just a general comment. I just want to hear from you. Say hello. As always, if you could check out my Patreon, that would be amazing. That is really what has been helping me get back on my feet after all of the nonsense of this year. So thank you so much to all my current patrons. And thank you so much to all of my future patrons. Maybe some of you will join today. The link is down in the description. That's it for today, and I'll see you next time. Bye, lovelies!